Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start immediately by making sure your Ps5 is signed in and updated. This prevents permission errors. Once done, go to the game's home or the game library and highlight the title that contains the add-on you want to remove. Press the Options button on your DualSense to reveal the management menu. This step opens the exact settings you need and makes the process fast, no digging through unrelated menus. Make sure you're on the correct account before continuing. Once the game menu is open, choose Manage Game Content or View Installed Add-ons. That's where DLC and packs are listed. You'll see individual items. Select the exact add-on you want to remove because deleting a main game file is not what we're doing. Confirm the deletion when prompted. The system will remove only the chosen add-on and update storage totals. Make sure to check whether the add-on is installed per account or system-wide, and proceed when you're sure. After deletion, verify success by opening Settings, Storage, then Games and Apps to confirm space is freed. This also shows whether the add-on still appears. If the item still shows, make sure to restart your Ps5. Reboots often clear display caches. If restarting does not fix it, rebuild the database from safe mode to refresh the system index. This resolves leftover listings without deleting your saved data. If you need more, sign back into your account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.